So as always, I request you to close your eyes. Breathe in and breathe out. First of all, breathing in the divine energies of the Creator and breathing out whatever is not serving you. You're all in your individual grids. Just make your pillar of light and sit and breathe in and out, aligning to the energies. As you breathe in the divine energies and breathe out what is not serving you, also claim back all your lost energies, scattered energies, shattered energies, all your powers, all your soul fragments, all your soul gifts, soul essence, rinse, cleanse, and fill with the creator light, creator codes, restored to its original blueprint, without the trauma, without the pain, with the learning, with the lesson, to be integrated into your sacred heart center, into your lotus or golden disc, and wherever your teams of light want you to integrate. So breathe in and breathe out for 2-3 minutes and allow the energies to align with you. We are aligned to Parampita Parmeshwar above, and we are grounded in our golden disc or lotus below. We are in a pillar of light, pillar of light, pillar of light. All the divine energies are surrounding us. They're filling us, completing us. Just breathe in and out so that all your stress, anxiety, expectations from the day, the stress of the day, the stress of your life slowly starts to release from you so that you can move to a zone of deep peace, deep tranquility. Let the deepest of the deepest energies of the divine flow through you, purifying you, filling you with all that is of the highest level light. As you're breathing in and breathing out, each pore of your body, each cell of your body, every gland of your body, every organ of your body is slowly and softly releasing all that is not serving it. It may be stress, it may be strain, it may be fear, it may be trauma, it may be energies of the past, it may be energies of darkness. Whatever it is, your body is now releasing with ease and grace all that needs to be released. We're breathing in the divine energies. We are breathing out whatever is not serving us. Each chakra, each nadi system, every organ, every gland, every bone, every blood, everything inside you is releasing, releasing, releasing. Feel the energies inside your being. If you don't feel energies, you can just feel a peace, a calmness, a balance. That is energy. We do not always have to see energy in the form of colors, in the form of vibrations, in the form of shapes, in the form of divine beings. But the energy is always there. It is our duty to connect to the energy. It is our duty to feel the energy. And the easiest way that God has made for us is our breath. When it sends a child to the earth, God teaches the child to breathe from the stomach and release. That is a deep breath that a child takes. But we have become more alert. We have become more modern. We have forgotten the basic level of breathing. And that is why we are disconnected. That is why we are not aligned. If every breath of yours is coming from the deepest level of your being, you're always aligned, always connected. Whether you see energy, feel energy, see divine beings, feel divine beings or not. We are all part of the Parampita Parameshwar, the divine creator of all creators. And as such, we are all holy, we are all pure, we are all divine. So let go of all preconceived notions this divine day of Mahalaya. Understand this is a rebuilding. a new path that we are charting ourselves on. This day is a very pious day, very powerful day. It is connected to the ancestors, but it is also connected to regeneration, new energies, the divine feminine energies. So feel in every cell of your being, every gland, every organ, every DNA, every RNA, every mitochondria. Feel the divine energies. Allow them to tap you. Allow them to flow through you. Some of you may feel and hear the divine music of the spheres. It is always there. How much we tune in, it is dependent on that, whether we can hear it or not. So breathing in and breathing out, totally align yourself as we invoke the divine. We invoke Parampita Parameshwar, the creator of all creators, the source energy. We invoke Lord Shiva Ma Shakti, Lord Vishnu Ma Lakshmi, Lord Brahma Ma Saraswati, the creators of this universe. We bow down to Pratham Pujya Lord Ganesha, Lord Kartike, Lord Hanumanji, Lord Sun, Mother Moon, the purest and the highest form of Ma Ganga, Ma Prithvi, Ma Prakriti, the masters of Amanti, the masters of the inner realms of the earth, all the divine gods and goddesses who are supporting us, we bow down to you. All the divine Guru Sant Mahatmas, greatest of the greatest saints, masters, we bow down to you. We bow down to you, every divine being of all the galaxies, star systems, constellations, planets, nakshatras of the different elements. We bow down to all divinity and to the divine energies of every energy vortex, every divine council, especially the council of earth, the council of the elders, the councils of 1 to 12, the councils of the golden era, the councils of ascension, love, light, and healing. We're receiving the energies, receiving the energies, receiving the energies. Now we invite the divine plethora of divine energies, the angelic realm, the unicorn collectives, dragon collectives, celestial whales, dolphins, mermaids, fairies, every divine ray, every divine flame, every divine consciousness, the Omkar energies, the Taramandal energies, the Trishul energies, the Bajra energies, the Shankh energies, all the different crystals, monies, Ayurveda energies, we call on you, we call on you, call on you. Let all of these energies fill your being, fill your being, fill your being. Let them flood your being, flood your being, flood your being. You're connected to Parampita above and you're connected to your lotus or golden disc below. Allow the energies to heal you, settle you down, and align you. Now we sit in a huge circular grid made of till. This grid is especially relevant for our ancestors. Around the circular grid of till, it's a mixture of tills, all the tills we give to our ancestors. Around the circular grid is another circular grid filled with the Ma Ganga energies, Ma Tulsi energies. The leaves of Ma Tulsi are floating in the Ma Ganga energies around us. We're sitting in this huge grid of the till. We're sitting in the center of the circular grid. Why? Because The rest of the space is for our ancestors. So let us invite our higher self, our monad, our teams of light to support us. Let us invite all the past lives that we have experienced, all the parallel lives that we are experiencing. And let us invite the ancestors of all these lifetimes. So around you now sits all your past lives and future lives and parallel lives. They're all sitting around you in a circle. It may be a huge circle. And from each of your past lives, future lives, parallel lives, behind them stands all your ancestors of those lifetimes. Bow down to these ancestors and bow down to Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, our original ancestors. Bow down to all ancestors and welcome them into this meditation for the next 2 minutes. We are aligning ourselves to the divine and we are connecting to our ancestors across all dimensions of time, space, and loka, multiverses. We're inviting all ancestors to come, all the ancestors of every lifetime, because whichever lineage has healed a lot of karma, divine is ready to give them a lot of grace, a lot of grace. So all the lineages we have belonged to, we invite. We invite the lineages of our father and our mother. We invite the lineages of our children, their parent of both sides, their lineages, we invite them. We invite all divinity who are supporting us in this meditation. Especially invite the Divine Feminine, especially Ma Kali, Ma Kalvairavi, Ma Raktagandha, to help us heal, help us transform, help us release. As all ancestors have come, first of all, let us bow down to them, acknowledge them, and thank them for allowing us to be a part of their lineage. Do not think of the trauma you have faced in that lineage. Think of what they have created so that you could be a part of that lineage. So thank each one of your ancestors. Thank them for allowing you to be a part of the lineage. They are filled with gratitude. You are filled with gratitude. This is the perfect moment, the perfect time to release all karmic boundaries. So we request each one of your past lives, future lives, parallel lives, the aspects of you, and all your ancestors of those lifetimes, to first of all clear any karma that is pending or that is on the surface. Requesting the divine to support them as each one of the lineages, all the ancestors seek forgiveness for their karmas. Requesting divine guidance, divine support. Divine guidance, divine support. You ask forgiveness and let all of your past lives, parallel lives, future lives, and all of your ancestors seek forgiveness for all the karmas that you have created 3 times, sending them love, light, and healing, those who have been harmed by you, and forgiving all those who have harmed you. Do it sincerely for 2 minutes. Forgiveness of all karmas. That divine is ready to forgive you right now. All karmas that have come up for release. So allow yourself to release your karmas.
आदिदेव महादेव हे शिवाय शम्भो गिरिजात्मक विश्वनाथ हे शिवाय शम्भो आदिदेव महादेव हे शिवाय शम्भो गिरिजात्मक विश्वनाथ हे शिवाय शम्भो भोलेनाथ रुद्रनाथ गंगाधर शम्भो नीलकण्ठ योगिनाथ हे शिवाय शम्भो हे शिवाय शम्भो आदिदेव महादेव हे शिवाय शम्भो गिरिजात्मक विश्वनाथ हे शिवाय शम्भो डम 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 डमरु बाजे शिव पार्वती संग नाचे सुरताल में गगन गूंजे सृष्टि में शिव विराजे डम 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 डमरु बाजे शिव पार्वती संग नाचे सुरताल में गगन गूंजे सृष्टि में शिव विराजे नीलकंठ योगिनाथ हे शिवाय शंभो हे शिवाय शंभो आदिदेव महादेव हे शिवाय शंभो गिरिजात्मक विश्वनाथ हे शिवाय शंभो भोलेनाथ रुद्रनाथ गंगाधर शंभो नीलकंठ योगिनाथ हे शिवाय शंभो हे शिवाय शंभो।
We now invoke the karmic council, the lords of karma, lords of time, to please give us grace, please give us grace, give us grace, allowing us to release as much karmas as we can, as much karmas as we can on this divine day. Give us grace, divine, give us grace, give us grace. And forgive us for all our karmic accounts. Forgive us for all the negativity we have performed, all the negative things we have done. Forgive us, forgive us, forgive us. As we have sought forgiveness from all whom we have harmed. Divine, please forgive us, please forgive us, please forgive us. Freeing ourselves from the deeper entanglements of karmic accounts, requesting grace from Parampita, from Adiyogi, from the Council of Karma, from the Lords of Time, Lords of Karma, Lord Shanidev. Please give us grace, please give us grace, please give us grace. We're ready to release as much karma. It is from all of us souls present here. We, our past lives, our future lives, our parallel lives, and all ancestors, we jointly pray to you to give us grace for all the karmas that we have done. Give us grace, give us grace, give us grace, and blessings for whatever you think we have done well. Blessings for whatever we think we have done well. Blessings for whatever we have done well. As the karmic councils, lots of karma, lots of time, Lord Mahadev, Parampita Parameshwar, support us in this releasing. A huge karmic backlog has been released from all the souls present here. Ma Ganga water lifts up and splashes into us, drenching us, clearing us, purifying us. Her divine energies purify us, purify us, purify us. And we release at a deep level all karmic backlogs that we and our ancestors across all dimensions of time and space are carrying. Whatever divine wants us to release, we release, we release, we release. Breathing in and breathing out, breathing in and breathing out, breathing in and breathing out. We realign ourselves to the divine.
आदिदेव महादेव हे शिवाय शम्भो गिरिजात्मक विश्वनाथ हे शिवाय शम्भो जटाजूट चंद्रभाल कर त्रिशूल मुंडमाल मस्तक पर अर्धचंद्र करुणामय महाकाल जटाजूट चंद्रभाल कर त्रिशूल मुंडमाल
Let the releasing happen.
मस्तक पर अर्धचंद्र करुणामय महाकाल सदाशिव आशुतोष हे शिवाय शंभो हे शिवाय शंभो आदिदेव महादेव हे शिवाय शंभो गिरिजात्मक विश्वनाथ हे शिवाय शंभो.
You may feel very warm. You may feel uneasy. It is fine. It's a huge karmic backlog that is releasing from you, from your past lives, from your ancestors. As we are releasing the karmic accounts, a lot of karma done to us is surfacing. All the karmic accounts which gave us pain, where we were the victim. All the pain, all the trauma of our lineage because of those sufferings. It's huge. So come, let us forgive all those who have harmed us across all dimensions of time, space, multiverses, and loka. All who are ready to shift and change and receive our forgiveness. All those karmic accounts are being closed as we forgive them, as we forgive them, as we forgive them. Forgive all who have harmed you across all dimensions of time and space, requesting all ancestors to forgive, forgive, forgive. As many karmic accounts as you release today is a great blessing for your soul. So release the karmic accounts. Release the karmic accounts. Give forgiveness, give forgiveness, give forgiveness.
भोलेनाथ रुद्रनाथ गंगाधर शंभो नीलकंठ योगिनाथ हे शिवाय शंभो हे शिवाय शंभो आदिदेव महादेव हे शिवाय शंभो गिरिजात्मक विश्वनाथ हे शिवाय शंभो तुम हो जग के स्वामी तुम हो अंतर्यामी नंदी की करे सवारी सर्पधारी त्रिपुरारी
Forgive, forgive, forgive.
तुम हो जग के स्वामी तुम हो अंतर्यामी नंदी की करे सवारी सर्पधारी त्रिपुरारी भस्म अंग पर रमाते महाकाल शंभो हे शिवाय शंभो आदिदेव महादेव हे शिवाय शंभो गिरिजात्मक विश्वनाथ हे शिवाय शंभो भोलेनाथ रुद्रनाथ गंगाधर शंभो नीलकंठ योगिनाथ हे शिवाय शंभो हे शिवाय शंभो
As we have forgiven all those people who have harmed us, forgiven their karmas. Now first let us, all of us, we, our past lives, our future lives, our parallel lives, all our ancestors, we request you to please cut all cords with all these accounts, karmic accounts, past lives, whatever has come up, requesting for all of you to cut all these cords of attachment, of pain, of sadness, whatever it is, of anger, revenge, resentment, and burn it in the holy fire of Lord Shiva Ma Shakti, Lord Shiva Ma Shakti, Lord Shiva Ma Shakti. Release all karmic cords across all dimensions of time and space that you have released just now, and burn them in the holy fire of Lord Shiva Ma Shakti, Lord Shiva Ma Shakti, Lord Shiva Ma Shakti. See yourself cutting all the cords, requesting every ancestors to do the same, requesting every past life, parallel life, future life to do the same. Cutting all cords of attachment, cutting all cords of connection, cutting all cords of anger, cutting all cords with that situation, all negative emotions, cutting and burning them in the holy fire, cutting and burning them in the holy fire, cutting and burning them in the holy fire. It is no longer needed to keep this cords of attachment, cords of connections to this past lives. As we have released the karma, let the cords also be released and burnt, released and burnt, released and burnt.
आदिदेव महादेव हे शिवाय शंभो गिरिजा भोले सगवानी नाथ संग धरती सारी सृष्टि जल में गगन गाय नीलकंठ त्रिपुरारी भोलेनाथ योगीनाथ जय शिव शंभो जय शिव शंभो
As we've released all past lives, all the connections to the past life, yeah, there's a lot of karmic account which has given them pain, given them trauma, given them toxic patterns. So we request Lord Bholenath to please help us release all these patterns that the ancestral lineage is carrying of trauma, pain, sadness, unhappiness, toxicity, bad behavior, bad habits, negative belief system, toxic belief systems, requesting our guides, requesting our higher self, requesting all divinity who are supporting us. Please help us release. Please help us release. Please help us release all the trauma of the lineage, requesting every ancestor to give intention for their own, so that the total trauma of the lineage releases, and the subsequent patterns of behavior, emotional patterns, behavior patterns, thought processes, mindsets, belief systems, any kind of toxicity which is carrying down the lineage may be released, may be released, may be released. Requesting Mahadi Shakti Parashakti, please bless us all so that the trauma of especially the divine feminine which runs through every lineage, every ancestor where the divine feminine was suppressed, traumatized, harmed, may all those traumas of the divine feminine and wherever applicable, divine masculine and all other traumas release from the deepest of the deepest cores, from the deepest of the deepest cores, from the deepest of the deepest cores of our being, our past lives, parallel lives, future lives, and all our ancestors, requesting divine grace, divine grace, divine grace to release all the traumatic patterns of the ancestral lineage, divine in this divine day, made release, made release, made release. Allow us to release, allow us to release, allow us to release, divine, all this trauma, all those traumatic patterns, all those toxic patterns, all those negative patterns which are not serving the lineage. Whatever is not serving the lineage, may your divine grace flow, and all the lineages who are present here, it's a huge multitude of lineages. May they be healed as per your grace, as per your will, as per divine will, as per divine will, as per divine will, as per divine grace, as per divine grace, as per divine grace.
Vedanath Rudranath Gangadhara Shambho Nilakantha Yoginath Jai Shivaya Shambho Jai Shivaya Shambho Adideva Mahadev Jai Shivaya Shambho Girijatmaka Vishwanath Jai Shivaya Shambho डम 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 डमरु बाजे शिव पार्वती संग नाचे सुरताल में गगन गूंज सृष्टि में शिव विराजो डम 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 डमरु बाजे शिव पार्वती संग नाचे सुरताल में गगन गूंज सृष्टि में शिव विराजे नीलकंठ योगीनाथ हे शिवाय शंभो हे शिवाय शंभो आदिदेव महादेव हे शिवाय शंभो गिरिजात्मक विश्वनाथ हे शिवाय शंभो
Deep patterns are releasing. Deep trauma is releasing. Deep, toxic habits are releasing. Negative mindsets are releasing. Negative DNAs are being shut down. Positive DNAs are being reopened. There's a deep work going on your system, on the system of all of your ancestors, by divine grace, by divine grace, by divine grace. It's a deep, deep work. Allow it to happen. Give it a little time. Allow it to happen with ease and grace, ease and grace, ease and grace.
नाथ रुद्रनाथ गंगाधर शंभो नीलकंठ योगीनाथ हे शिवाय शंभो हे शिवाय शंभो आदिदेव महादेव शिवाय शंभो गिरिजात्मक विश्वनाथ हे शिवाय शंभो
Allow the pain to release.
जटाजूट चंद्रभानुकर त्रिशूल कमाल मस्तक पर चंद्र करुणामय महाकाल जटाजूट चंद्रभानुकर त्रिशूल कमाल मस्तक पर चंद्र करुणामय महाकाल सदाशिव आशुतोष हे शिवाय शंभो हे शिवाय शंभो आदिदेव महादेव हे शिवाय शंभो गिरिजात्मक विश्वनाथ हे शिवाय शंभो
There is a lot of rewiring going on your brains. Some of you may feel a headache. Some of you may feel a chest ache. A lot of pain is in your system. Forgive all who harmed you. Release the trauma. Release the pain. Release all negative toxic emotions. Allow that to release from you. Allow it to release from you. Allow it to release from you. A lot of toxic nature, toxic emotions, toxic patterns are still embedded in you. Release the straps, release the foundations, and allow them to release from you, release from you, release from you. Allow the divine with that Trishul to pull out all these patterns, all this toxicity, all these patterns that are going through the lineage, especially those harming the divine feminine, not allowing her to rise in the world, which is not allowing self-respect, self-love, which is not allowing peace, authenticity, purity, honesty. All patterns of dishonesty from all lineages are being washed out, washed out, washed out. Allow authenticity to fill your being. Allow dishonesty to live your being. Allow the transformation of every negative energy to positivity. Work through you, work through you, work through you.
नाथ रुद्रनाथ गंगाधर शंभो नीलकंठ योगिनाथ जय शिवाय शंभो जय शिवाय शंभो आदिदेव महादेव जय शिवाय शंभो बीजात्मक विश्वनाथ जय शिवाय शंभो महो जग के स्वामी तुम हो अंतर्यामी नंद की करे सवारे सल्पधारी त्रिपुरारी तुम हो जग के स्वामी तुम हो अंतर्यामी नंद की करे सवारी सर्वधारी त्रिपुरारी प्रसंग पर रमाते महाकाल शंभो ये शिवाय शंभो आदिदेव महादेव जय शिवाय शंभो गिरिजात्मक विश्वनाथ जय शिवाय शंभो
A lot of tendencies, patterns, behaviors, thought processes are being changed. You may feel nausea, you may feel uneasy, you may feel heat. Allow this deep process to work on you, work on you, work on you. Because each lineage needs to heal for the earth to heal. That is why we invited all our ancestors of all lifetimes to be with us. So that as each lineage heals, the earth heals. The society heals, the future heals. Requesting Ma Kali to pull out from us all the toxic patterns of Kam, Krodh, Moh, Maya, Lobh, which are bounding us, which are trapping us in this 3D world, in our journey of spirituality. Divine Mother, pull out from the roots of every timeline, every lifetime, from every ancestral lineage, the seeds of Kam, Krodh, Moh, Maya, Lobh, so that we can be purified at a very deep level, very deep level, very deep level. Ma Kali, Ma Kalvairavi, Ma Chinnamasta, Ma Raktagandha, Ma Durga, Ma Kamakhya, Ma Dhunagiri, Ma Kali, Ma Lakshmi, Ma Saraswati, Ma Adi Shakti, all the divine feminine, we invoke you, we invoke you, we invoke you, Ma Green Tara, Ma Golden Tara, Mother Quinine, Ma Prithvi, Ma Ganga, every divine feminine of the highest level light, we invoke you and we request you to help us purify ourselves, purify our lineage, purify our patterns, purify our mindsets, purify our thought process, purify our emotions, so that we can really step into the golden era with a golden heart within us, with a golden lineage behind us. On this divine day, requesting a deeper cleansing of our systems, a deeper cleansing of our past lives, future lives, parallel lives, and a deeper cleansing of all our ancestors. Divine, allow us to release at the deeper level, release at the deepest levels, release at the deepest level.
नाथ रुद्रनाथ गंगाधर शंभो नीलकंठ योगिनाथ हे शिवाय शंभो हे शिवाय शंभो आदिदेव महादेव हे शिवाय शंभो गिरिजात्मक विश्वनाथ हे शिवाय शंभो
Now, as we have cleared all this, we request the divine to pull out from us as we have pulled out all negative patterns. Please fill us with divinity, purity, honesty, authenticity, love, light, peace, reverence, gratitude, faith, surrender, acceptance, all the divine qualities, which is for the highest best of us and our lineage. We request the divine to download into us, to download into us, download into us. Sit and receive the downloads and integrate them in your sacred heart center and in your golden disc called lotus. Receive and integrate, receive and integrate, receive and integrate. as all these divine qualities are being downloaded into us, as all the divine energies are being filled into us, we are going into a transformation process. It's a deep transformation which may make you uneasy, make you sad, make you depressed also, because a lot of negativity will be releasing through you. So first of all, I request you, your past lives, your future lives, your parallel lives, and all your ancestors to thank the divine, all divine beings, all divine energies, all divinity who have supported us to help this deep release happen. And this releasing will go on for the next 2-3 days as per the lineage. So ask all of you to bow down and express your gratitude to the divine for this deep grace, this deep grace, this deep grace. Now I request all souls who have come here, the ancestors, all those whom we and our ancestors finished off our karmas, all karmic account souls, all souls who have come up. We request Lord Shiva Ma Kali to take them, Archangel Michael and his team, to take them through their respective channels to wherever they belong. All souls may please be taken to wherever they are supposed to be. All souls from our houses, from our family members, whichever have come up, may please be taken back. Ma Kali, Lord Shiva, may all souls, Archangel Michael and his team, may all souls go back to where they belong, leaving only us here. Let all souls who had come be released and taken back to where they belong. No one else other than us can be here anymore. Requesting divine to take them all, take them all, take them all back to where they belong. Now we breathe into this Mahalaya energies. The energies of Ma Adi Shakti, the energies of Ma Kali, the energies of Ma Durga, the divine feminine mother. As Navratri starts and her divine presence is knocking at our door, we breathe in her energies, we breathe in her qualities, we breathe in her essence, requesting the Divine Mother to fill us with her love, to fill us with her power, to fill us with her gifts, so that we can be true souls, divine souls in her care. May all negativity release from us, and may we step into our light worker roles, to our allegiance to Mother Gaia, to our mission, with the deepest of love, respect, and gratitude to the divine. May we be the higher versions of our souls. May we untap in our souls the higher level of our souls. And may we move forward from tomorrow, from today only, in a different level, in a different dimension, bowing down to all divinity who supported us, We express our deep, deep, deep gratitude. And we receive your divine blessings. Sit and integrate the blessings for 1 minute. As we have received the blessings and integrated them, we again re-energize all our grids and shields and kavach. Any energies, any imprints, any residues left of the releasing should be cleared from us, divine, should be cleared from us, should be cleared from us. We are filled with the divine light, the divine energies, the rainbow energies, diamond energies, the platinum energies, the golden era energies, with the violet flame energies. And we are cleansing and clearing ourselves, cleansing and clearing ourselves, cleansing and clearing ourselves. We're filled with divine energy, divine light, divine motivation. We thank the divine. We thank each other for supporting us in this meditation. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you.